Okay, so students have shared. Let me just copy paste one of the solution. Starts with J and ends with and that John is there. So these are two questions. I'll further give you two more questions. So I will give you, let us say, the question is select sorry, name of employees where second character is N. Try this question also. I think the answer by Jayesh is correct. You have to write underscore N character. Okay, so there is no such employee whose second letter is N. Let us change this with what we can change it with Alex, Emily. Let us change it with M so that we can at least get one employee with the name. So I think now it should satisfy the condition for Emily. Emily and Emma both, right? So these would be the three additional ones. So great guys, you have solved them. Those who are not, who have not run this query, I'll don't worry, I'll wait for you. So before starting with the next topic, I'll just give you 5 more minutes. Like it is 8:38. I'll wait for 8:44, 8:45 before starting. So you can just practice this question, or if you are already done, just let me know in the chat box. So if majority of the students are done, we can maybe move forward with new topics. So I'll just wait for a few minutes. Whenever you are done, just let me know in the chat box so that I can move forward.
Saurav, I'm getting some error. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, sure. What issue are you facing?
Um, since I have just joined, I have just copy pasted it, but it's showing me some error.
Okay, can you share your screen? Okay. So can you run this query?
Yeah.
Oh, you did not select the entire query, no?
Oh, okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. So I think now we can start with the next topic that we have at our hand today, and that is in between and is null operators. Right. So what is these operator? Why do we use them? So when I say you are dealing with numbers, so you write where it is greater than 70, less than 25, equal to 3, right? But what if I give you a range of values? Like let us say I ask you that if the values is like between 70 to 90, then one way to write is I can write greater than 70,000 and less than 90,000, right? Like this. But instead of that, you can just use the between operator. Checks if a value lies within a specific range, right? Second is your in operator, which checks if a value matches any values in a list. So let us say I have my employee IDs from 1 to 10, right? I have 10 different employees. And I want to get the details of employee ID that is 1, 2, 5, 7, right? So what I will write, I will write where employee ID is equal to 1, is equal to 2, is equal to 3. So I cannot directly write like equal to this bracket. I have to use the in operator. Okay, so when we have a range of values and it lies within a specific range, then between. If we have a list of values, then we will use the in operator. And is null would be used if a value is null and we want to provide a replacement value. Okay, so for example of this is null, you can see here, see, for in, I can write select star from employee where department ID 1 comma 3. So it will give me details of employee in whose ID is either 1 or either 3, right? 2 is not included here. Similarly, if the salary is between 60 and 75,000, and let us say I can do select is null email, no email provided as email status from employee. So what this will do, okay, we don't have an email column, we dropped it, but what this will do it that it will provide me a status that okay, this column is empty, but I can replace that status. Okay, so let us do this example of in and sorry between, and then understand what and why they are here, right? So in and between. So first we would just say that we want,
I
okay,
guess your SQL system is not visible.
okay, I've not shared the entire screen, right? Let me just share it again. Is it now?
Yep, it is.
Okay, so we can write like select star from project. Okay, we have a project table, I think. Do we? I think we had department table. Third table is project table only, right? Yes, great. So we have a project table. Select star from project where employee ID in, I will write bracket 1 comma 3. Right. So I will just get employee ID where it is 1 comma 3. Similarly, if I want to write it in a range, I can write where employee ID between 2 and 5. So I will get all the employees from 2 to 5. So it is 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. And if I were to use in case of a character, so I can write select star from employee where first name in where first name in I'll write the bracket here John, or it could be let us say Jane. So what I will get the details of only these two employees, John and Jane. So if you want list, you can just write in a bracket inside the bracket using the in operator. If there is a range of values, then you can write using the between operator. Okay, so one more thing, let us say you want to get employees with salary in range of 60,000 to 75,000. Okay, so just do this and let me know when you're done, so we move forward with the next thing. I hope between and in is very clear to you. Any question, any doubt in this?
I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
For when we were using in operator, we have just given two values, right? 1 and 3.
Mm-hmm.
What if if we want to give more numbers in that
You can
particular
give
list?
any number of values in the list. Like here you can say I've only given John and Jane. I have given 1, 3. I can also give, like, let us say, let me write this here, right? Uh, if I want to give a list of values, let us say I go with in operator and I want to give values such as 1, 5, 7, 3, 2. I can do like this also. Not 52, 52 does not exist. I will write 2. Even I can write 52 and 2. 52 is not there, not an issue. Will not fetch anything. So it will give like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 52 is not there, so it is not giving any 52. So you can give any number of values that you want. Any other questions in this? In and sorry, in and between. Okay. So I'll give you 2 to 3 minutes. Just do this. Share this solution in the chat box. Very simple question. And then we will move forward. Right. Here you can see we get details of salary where it is between 60 to 75,000. Right.
Sir, I have a question
Okay.
in second character
In second
where
character. Okay.
second character is M.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
What do
if
you
we
want?
put underscore M
Mm-hmm.
in second character M,
Okay. So you are saying you will put it as underscore M then?
अगर if sir fourth character is M तो हमें 3 underscore लगाने हैं. We put
हाँ.
3 underscore M.
3 अंडरस्कोर M. 1, 2, 3. 3 कोई भी कैरेक्टर हो सकते हैं. उसके बाद M आना चाहिए. और उसके बाद परसेंटेज, मतलब M के बाद कुछ भी आ सकता है. M से पहले 3 ही
Okay.
कैरेक्टर होने चाहिए बिकॉज M इज द फोर्थ वन.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, so I think this is clear till here. Now let us move forward with the last thing in this particular PDF, that is the order by clause. Okay, let me just zoom out a bit and we have the order by clause. So order by clause, I think it is self-explanatory. What it will do, it will order the things into ascending or descending order, and you just have to write select this column whatever you want from table name, order by whatever column you want to order it by. Right. So if I write it like this, just go here, order by. Right. So what I can write, very simply, I want to get this table in a sorted manner based on the salaries. I want to see what are the top earners. So I will just write select star from employee, order by salary ASC. Okay. So what does this mean? ASC means ascending order. So I get from the lowest, that is 59,000, to the highest, that is 80,000. Right. If I want to get in descending order, I will just replace this with, okay, I think I copied this. Yes. So I will replace this with DESC. Now this will make it descending. So now it will start with 80 and it will end with 59. Now if you want to, let us suppose, not write anything, like if I don't write anything, then what will be the case? Then it will automatically go with the ascending order. So if you just want to get a order by, you can directly write order by. You don't have to mention ascending or descending. By default, it will mean ascending order. If you want to get it in descending order, then you have to mention DESC. Okay. So I think this is very clear. One more thing, let us say we, instead of numbers, I am doing it with the first name. So let us see then what will happen, right? So I will write select star from employee, order by first name. So what will happen? It will give it alphabetical order. You can see start with A, D, E, E, J, J, L, M, O, S, right? So when we do with string, it automatically gives us in the alphabetical order. You can also combine two columns. So if I write select star from employee, order by department ID, comma, employee ID. I will run this. And now we get this, right? So I'll tell you what is happening here exactly. First, we order it by department ID. So we have this 111, 222, 333, right? So department ID, it has been ordered by. After department ID, it also orders into employee ID. So you will see that in the department 1, we have 3 tables. We
Hello.
have 3. Yes,
Hello.
Abhishek.
Sir, can you tell the order by department ID in descending order, like this is ascending order in, so
You can write it like this.
okay.
So we get 333, 222, 111. But even here, the employee ID is still in ascending order. Okay.
Okay, and in this order by
Which
in employee ID, same.
employee ID, yes, it is still in ascending order. See, I will explain you about how it is working. So see, department ID is in descending order. We get all the 3 1, then we get all the 2, and then we get all the 1. Right. So this is descending order. Department ID is clear to all of you. For now, ignore employee ID. Just focus on department ID. Right. Department ID descending order is clear. Now, just have a close look at what is happening on the employee ID column when I do this. So in the department ID 3, we have 3 values. See, 3, 6, and 9. So they are in ascending order. Then in the department ID 2, I have 4 values. 2, 5, 7, 9. So they are also in ascending order. Then I have 1, 1, 1. And this also is having values in ascending order 1, 4, 8. if I change employee IDs to descending, then instead of this 369, we will get 963. Instead of 2 5 7 10, we will get 10 7 5 2. Instead of 1 4 8, we will get 8 4 1. Right. So let me write it here. If I here also write descending, then the equation changes, and now we are getting this in 963 10 7 5 2 8 4 1. So I hope this example is clear to you. Any doubt in this one? If not, just run these queries. Let me know if you face any error, and we move forward with something new. Okay, so I'll give you 5 to 10 minutes. You can run this. You can take a 2-minute break, 5-minute break if you want to have a glass of water. And after this, we will start with 1 or 2 new topics before we conclude for the day. So try these queries. If there is any doubt in this or in any query that we have done today, just go through all of them once. If you have joined recently, just go through all the queries, and yeah, let me know if there is any doubt, any query, any questions. We will continue at 9:05. If there is anything, let me know in the chat box. Also, you can ask directly also. Right. So when you are done with this, just let me know in the chat box so I know that we can move forward. Okay, so I think all of you are done with it. So now we would be moving forward with a few more different topics.
Also, there was a point is null. What was that?
Okay, is null. So I think we did not went more into is null. So see, is null checks if a value is null and provides a replacement value. So here you can see if I have this email column and there is no email provided, so I can get it with some replaced text in my this selection what we say selection box or a display in this. It will not change the value, but it will give a alternative in the display. I will tell you how. So okay, let us do one example of the same also. So this is the thing that we did in last